Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for checking out our video. My name is Angel Huang and today I'll talk about our project IdeaBot, which looks at how human users work with chatbots to brainstorm creative ideas. We all know that teamwork is hard, even among humans. A common question to ask is what makes a great team or what breaks a team? To answer this question, a lot of formal research about teamwork built on the theory of social facilitation, which suggests that when we work with others, we pay attention not only to ourselves and our task, but we also pay attention to feedback, comments, and judgments from our teammates. When this distraction works well, the presence of others can make us more alert and engaged throughout a team working process. However, when we're too concerned about our teammates' judgment, this may create distraction and therefore less satisfying team working outcomes. So the question we pose here is whether working with a bot can potentially mitigate this conflict so that we can benefit from the presence of others, but also not to worry too much about being judged by our teammates. In this ideal case, will we see better team working outcomes? So we propose a conceptual framework here for the present research. We are particularly interested in whether the perceived identity and conversational style of a bot bring different levels of social cues and how that affects teamwork. Under this context, we also ask whether users who feel more anxious in a social group setting benefit from working with a bot, which may relieve their concerns for social judgments. To answer these questions, we designed a series of 3 studies by manipulating the perceived identity and conversational style of either a bot or a human teammate. To carry out our experiments, we also designed a simple chatbot to work on a brainstorming task with participants. So during the study, they would chat together and to generate new ideas for energy conservation. In the first study, participants either worked with a real bot or a real human. Our results showed that participants were able to generate more ideas and with better quality when they were working with a real bot. Moreover, among participants who are highly anxious in group settings, they reported significantly higher self-efficacy when they were working with a bot. Finally, we saw the positive team performance were significantly mediated by lower perceived dominance and pressure from their bot teammates. We follow up study 1 with 2 other studies. In study 2, all participants worked with human teammates, but they were either told that their teammate was a bot or was a human. In this case, we still saw participants producing more ideas with better quality when they believed they were working with a bot, while the other 2 findings were not replicated. In study 3, all participants worked with a bot, but they were either told that they were working with a bot or with a human. And then the outcomes were then pretty much similar with what we found in study 1. So in conclusion, our study offers yet another example of how human-agent teamworking can lead to positive outcomes. Additionally, our findings suggest strong and positive effect when human users perceive their teammate as a bot. Finally, while we use a chatbot with very minimal anthropomorphism in the present study, our findings also suggest a case where less humanoid agents can also bring benefits to teams. So, thank you for going through this brief overview of our project with me. To find out more, feel free to reach out and to come chat with us during the conference. We look forward to that.